Ladies and gentlemen, may I present you the best winning strategy on Bitcoin using leverage, which is trading breakouts. Here I'm trading using the Bitcoin breakout of 30,000. This is a real trade I've done a couple days ago and the video has been sped up by 12 times. I use Binance Futures for all my trades. It is the best trading platform and the one with the highest volume. If you still don't have a Binance account, sign up using the link in the description to get a lifetime 10% discount on fees. This is by far my favorite strategy. It has an excellent risk-reward ratio, it happens very fast, and the returns can be massive. The only downside is that such an opportunity doesn't happen very often. A couple opportunities that come to mind are the breakout of 20k in 2020 and the 4k in 2019. For this strategy to work properly, you need a big round number acting as an important resistance. I already had a small long position, but the strategy here was to set up a 75x start order to market buy when the price reaches 1 cent above 30,000. This also works on the way down, so you can set a start order to short just 1 cent below an important support that is about to be broken. Okay, so Bitcoin finally breaks the 30k and my order is triggered. You can see my new position here. Notice the leverage was very high and in a larger correction I could be liquidated. Don't place money you're not ready to lose and diversify your portfolio to lessen the risk. Just a follow-up on the position, the Bitcoin price kept going higher and higher and it gave me over 1,000% profit in just a few hours. You basically front run everyone and you get a very good entry point while most people start chasing the price after the breakout is confirmed. So by this time I took profit on a third of my position and set up a stop loss on the rest. So the trade is guaranteed to be profitable even if there is a correction. I hope this video has been helpful and thank you for watching.